Jaideep Mirashi, Dr. Pratibha Mirashi, Mrs. Pinky Dalal, Mrs. Pinto, special invitees, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. We welcome you to NSS Hillspring International School's Annual Day Expressions 2012. Our special guests for this evening, Ms. Dolly Thakur, Mr. Farid Karim, and Mr. Javed Jafri are eminent personalities in the fields of theatre and performing arts and will be the judges for our house plays today.
Dolly Thakur has worn and continues to wear many hats. She started her career as a newsreader on Bombay Doordarshan's radio show. She simultaneously wrote several personal columns and reviewed English and Hindi theatre and films alike, appearing in most English dailies and periodicals of the time. She has been a communications and public relations consultant for numerous corporate houses for the past 30 years. Throughout, her two passions have remained social work and stage. By way of social work, she is currently the national coordinator for the Ladli Girl Child Campaign Media Award and the chairman of public relations of the Rotary Club of Bombay. She is also affiliated with the India Sponsorship Committee, which looks after destitute women and children, the National Sponsorship Council, Citizens for Peace, Alert India Association for Leprosy, and Education, Rehabilitation and Training. In the past, she has worked extensively with NGOs to help the blind, the spastics, ill-treated women, underprivileged children, the deaf, the aphasic, and those suffering from HIV/AIDS. On stage, she has acted in several theatre productions, including The Death of a Salesman, A Streetcar Named Desire, All My Sons, Gaslight, and many more. She has also worked on a number of Indian and international co-productions, such as Far Pavilions, Kim, Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, Jinnah, and Such a Long Journey. She is the associate publisher of Dakini Books in London. She is also a reputed television and radio host and has interviewed many eminent personalities, such as Amitabh Bachchan and Stephen Burkhoff. Her awards include the Media India Trophy for Excellence in Electronic Media, the Bharat Nirman Trophy for India, the Junior Merchants Chamber Award for Outstanding Woman of the City, and the Yank Award for Contribution to Theatre. She was a member of the advisory panel of the Censor Board for Film Certification for many years and has served on the National Film Jury, the Indian Panorama Jury, and was on the jury for the Indian Television Awards 2002. Although on a much smaller scale, we hope you enjoy your time judging and watching us perform today, Ms. Thakur.
Our next special guest is Mr. Javed Jafri. Everyone knows him from evenings spent watching Takeshi's Castle. Over the past 30 years, he has taken on the role of actor, dancer, singer, choreographer, VJ and MC, copywriter, voiceover artist, ad filmmaker, and more. He has garnered international praise and won many awards, including the IIFA Award for Best Actor for his comic role in Salam Namaste, Screen Award for the Best Host of Videocon Flashback, ITA Award for Best Host Judge for Boogie Woogie, and the National Award in 2012 for the documentary Inshallah Football. He has worked in the film industry, debuting with Mary Jung in 1985. His performance in the song Bol Baby Rock and Roll incorporated path-breaking style, showcasing his dancing abilities, garnering him a huge fan following, inspiring a new generation of dancers. He has acted in over 45 films, both Indian and international, such as 100 Days, Oh Darling Ye Hai India, Salam Namaste, Sing is King, Tara Rampam, and Fire. The launch of Channel 5 and its irreverent sense of humor gave him a platform to demonstrate his unique style of comedy, which we all know, incorporating puns, impersonations, characters, accents, and introducing the now ubiquitous Hinglish. He anchored 2 cult shows, co-founded and judged India's first ever dance show, which is both record-breaking and the longest-lasting dance show ever, having run for 15 years. He has also hosted several popular TV shows. Another one of his numerous skills is dubbing. He has done characters like Mickey Mouse, Goofy, and Don Carnage in Disney's DuckTales. He has scripted the Hindi version of Jungle Book 2 and scripted and voiced the lead characters of The Incredibles. He has repeatedly hosted top award shows like the Filmfare Awards, Screen Awards, and IIFA. He has performed in over 200 live shows in India and abroad, sharing the stage with Michael Jackson, Queen, Spice Girls, Amitabh Bachchan, Amir Khan, and other notable figures. He has founded and funded the non-profit organization, the Indian Documentary Foundation, which oversees the promotion, awareness, and funding of socially impactful documentaries in India. What makes him an even more interesting personality is his simultaneous interest in outdoor activities. He is an advanced certification in scuba diving and is about to get a certificate for skydiving. Mr. Jaffrey, with your experienced sense of humor, we do hope our performances today garner a few laughs out of you.
Our third chief guest is none other than Farid Karim. Frequently called Mr. Humor of the Bombay stage, he is an advertising and public relations man by profession who runs Red Pepper Communications, a PR, marketing and advertising company. One of his greatest passions is theatre. Trained from early years by the late Pearl Padamsee, he wrote, acted in and directed several full-length and one-act English plays during this period. Subsequently, he has been seen in over 50 plays, the list of which forms a major part of the Bombay theatre directory. Hits like Man of La Mancha, Whose Life Is It Anyway, The Sound of Music, and My Fair Lady all form a part of his impressive portfolio. Although his forte is comedy, his experience ranges from almost every type of theatre, from Shakespeare to Broadway musicals. He has also performed shows on BBC Radio, such as The Merchant of Venice. He has appeared in 8 feature films, including The Sea Wolves, On Wings of Fire, Chupke Se, and Little Zizou. In addition, he is a passionate harmonica player and singer who has been featured on television and radio. Mr. Farid Karim, we hope that you find some of your theatre expertise applied here today. With these words, we once again welcome Ms. Dolly Thakur, Mr. Farid Karim, and Mr. Javed Jaffrey to our annual day function, Expressions 2012. We request Farzad Shroff, Devansh Parekh, and Vivan Karani to present them with floral tributes and tokens of appreciation.
May I now request Ms. Dolly Thakur, Mr. Farid Karim, and Mr. Javed Jaffrey, Dr. Jaideep Mirashi, and Mrs. Pinto to kindly come up to light the lamp. Thank you. We have gathered here today to watch the plays performed for Expressions 2012. It is noteworthy to mention that the students and staff of NSS Hillspring International School from grades 6 to 11 have put together our very own in-house production, right from scripting to choreographing, designing, acting, directing, and producing our own plays. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And do bear with us if we make a few mistakes along the way. And remember, relaxing involves turning your phones off and not getting up to leave the auditorium. Don't worry, we'll keep you entertained for the next few hours. Presenting to you the first house, Aqua.
Wanted, an English-speaking, responsible maid, above 20 years old, to handle an 8-year-old child. Must be able to cook, clean, and take care of the elderly. Has to manage household chores, including cooking twice a day, washing and ironing clothes, and sweeping and swabbing the house. Kindly call 98-213-68441 for further details. Maid problems? Jalebi Bai is the person for you, whatever the job or need. Join Aqua House as we follow a former NRI family's journey to finding the perfect maid, because we believe that everybody ought to have a maid.
Gaurav, turn that down. I can't hear myself think.
Come on.
I tell you, Reema, it's impossible. Rather than them working for us, it's like us working for them. Exactly. Mine just got up and left a few days ago. It's a pain. A royal pain.
Hey, who are you talking to? Is
quick.
it that cousin of yours? क्या नाम था उसका? Some Fatima या Lima? Or was it? हाँ, Reema.
Yeah.
Oh God! I bet you two are bantering on about maids again. In my day, maids were a loyal breed. And they didn't run off for every instance. You know, my old nanny, Seema. My old nanny Seema. She was with me right from when I was born till the time I left for the army.
No, Reema.
Seema.
You don't understand. We need an English-speaking one in particular. Gaurav doesn't speak a word of Hindi.
I want cream.
You know I couldn't find him a Hindi tutor in London.
Wait.
Hey, what Hindi tutor? I'll teach him Hindi. Na, क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Okay, now I have to go, Reema. Yeah, we'll meet on Raksha Bandhan. Bye. Haven't we all faced this? God, I miss my old one. She was really too good. We even took her to London when we moved. Gaurav, what have you been doing? Look at what a mess you've made here.
You clean it up for me every day. What's new today? And anyways, now that you're done, I'm switching it back on.
Anesthetic.
Yes, come on. Do it, Jerry.
Welcome to Abai Training Institute.
Left, right.
Abais are placed in some of the most renowned families in the country. And there's a lot of demand from the Middle East.
आशा भाई कल काम पे क्यों नहीं आए? मेरे लड़के को जुलाब हो गया।
Very good. It is not easy, but to be the best, come train with me, Savitri Bai.
This is perfect. This is it.
Mom, check that out.
Of course. Hello? Reema? Guess what? I'm getting a trained professional maid. That's right. English and everything. Hi. I'd like to meet Savitri Bai.
It's not Savitri Bai anymore. It's now Jalebi Bai. Some jalebis, please.
No, thank you.
And she's not in. I'm her husband. I co-manage this agency. Can I help you?
I need a maid. What can you offer me?
We have all sorts of maids. Want one for an old lady or to manage a new baby? Oh, do you need a cook and someone to clean your houses and also your car? We have all kinds because everybody ought to have a maid.
Everybody ought to have a maid. Everybody ought to have a maid. Everybody ought to have a working girl. Everybody ought to have a lurking girl to putter around the house.
Everybody ought to have a
Someone
maid.
whom you hire when you're short of help to offer you the sort of help.
Consistently congenial and quieter than a mouse. Fluttering up the stairway,
Shuttering up the windows,
cluttering up the bedroom,
buttering up the master,
pattering all around the house.
गणपत बजाना काय को बंद किया? गणपत बजाना काय को बंद किया?
Wow, that was impressive.
Thank you.
But it seems you only have Hindi speaking ones. I need an English speaking one in particular.
I have some. All members of Sector E, Class 1, please report. This is a new organizational structure. I'm going to give you the very best of the best maids. Please interview them at your will.
Thank you. Will you please come first?
Namaste. Namaste. Sit, sit.
So tell me, what's your name?
Kalpana, madam.
Kalpana, can you cook?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. She can cook anything you want. She's a very fast learner.
Can you clean, wash clothes and iron?
Yes, yes.
Will you be able to pick up my son from the bus stop?
Yes, but
Yes?
with my arthritis, cooking and dusting becomes thoda difficult. Not very much, Kalpana. I'm pretty sure you'll manage.
Will you be able to do it?
Yes, yes, but a little slowly and with thoda difficulty. And I might be late to pick up Baba.
Late?
ज़्यादा नहीं, वो सिर्फ 30-40 मिनट.
Next.
Next, please. Hello, madam.
How old are you, child?
Arey, madam, I taught in school 5 years ago. Madam, his English is brilliant. He had a very good education.
So what standard did you study until?
5.
Next.
Next, please. Hello, ma'am.
Two of you?
Yes, ma'am. We come together. We always come together. Buy one, get one free.
We can cook, clean, and take care of a child. We'll even walk any animal you'd require us to.
Once, we walked the crocodile.
Okay. But do you two always complete each other's sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
We've always worked together.
2 people, ma'am. Twice the effort in your house.
Okay, I get it. But how will your salary work?
15% more than your old house help salary each.
Next. This is your very best of the best?
No,
Waste
I
of
have
time.
more. Next. Madam? Hello. Pleased to meet you.
So tell me, what's your name?
Sandra, ma'am.
Sandra, can you cook, clean, and help with chores?
Of course, ma'am. I come with the bell. If you want something done, simply ring. Sandra's our very best.
Oh, great. So you'll start today?
Oh, absolutely. I'll only need some essentials.
Tell me.
L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. Private quarters with an attached bathroom and a geyser. Digestive biscuits, Earl Grey tea bags, and a pumpkin ravioli every Friday night. No, she didn't mean it. Oh. I'm not done yet. A satellite HDTV connection with a 40-inch TV. You have that, right?
Yes.
I'll also need a prepaid phone bill because I'll be making a lot of ISD calls.
One
I
minute.
expect.
Hello? Yes, speaking. Yes, I know Rima. 1 minute. Sandra, you can go now. That's great. Send her over right now. Thank you for your time. My friend called somebody and got a maid organized for me. I guess it pays to have connections.
No problem. No problem. When that one goes, for sure she'll be back. Abhi bolo jalebi bai ki jai ho. Bolo bolo.
Kanta, this is the bus stop. इधर बाबा का इंतजार करना. This is the ID card. Okay. One minute. Hello? Yes? Really? That's what even I heard. I didn't believe it. 1 minute. मैं बैंक जा रही हूँ. बाबा का इंतजार करना. हाँ जी.
Oh, hi. Who are you? Haven't seen you anywhere in this area. नहीं आई हो क्या?
हाँ हाँ. I've just started working in Dasmala.
First time working as a maid क्या? कैसा चल रहा है?
कुछ दिनों पहले ही शुरू किया था. But now I have to go pick my Baba up.
Oh, then you must not know how these Kharus mem sabs are.
Yeah, they are very sly. They will blame you for anything, even if it is not your fault.
And Mem Saab will do chick chick the entire time.
And they are full time talking on the phone, and we're not allowed to use mobile. फिर मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि सविता के घर में क्या हो रहा है?
सविता से याद आया, तुमने छाया का सुना?
नहीं यार, free time तो I don't get only.
हाँ हाँ. And I haven't heard from my son in so many days. पता नहीं स्कूल में क्या गुल खिला रहा होगा.
अरे वो स्कूल जाता है. How much is the fees?
2000 रुपया दे टेक और everything else goes in घर का खर्चा. कितना कम सैलरी मिलता है.
अरे इतना ही पैसा में ऐसा ही मिलता है यार.
It's really not fair यार.
उफ, तुम सब वापस रोने लग गए. My Mem Saab तो uses the whole amount of my पगार in एक दिन in the beauty parlor. पर फिर भी कोई फर्क नहीं आ रहा है. चुड़ैल की चुड़ैल ही दिखती है.
अच्छा, मेरी मेम साहब तो वेरी नाइस टू मी. अरे तुम थोड़ा टाइम रुको, अपना असली चेहरा दिखाएगी.
You all here having party without me?
कहाँ थी तुम? For so long.
अरे मैं तो लोनावला गया था. साहब ऑफिस पार्टी. इतना बड़ा बंगलो था, लेकिन फिर भी I had to sleep in the car यार. इतना tired. हाय, कैसे हो?
ठीक हूँ, बट क्या करूँ? दिल का हाल ही बेहाल है.
क्या करूँ हाय, कुछ कुछ होता है.
बाप रे बाप, तुम लोग फिर से शुरू हो गए.
तुम सब भी ना.
और तू, टाइम नहीं है तेरे पास मेरे लिए? Where are you hiding all day, हाँ?
टाइम ही नहीं. I'm working 5 to 10. What a way to make a living. No time for loving.
If you don't have time for me, मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरे दोस्तों के पास.
अरे तुम क्यों तकलीफ देते हो?
अभी तुम्हारे पास आ जाते हैं. हाँ चलो चलो चलो.
She tumbles out of bed and stumbles to the kitchen. Pours herself a tall glass of ambition. Yawning, stretching, trying to come to life. All her days are full of strife. She jumps into the living room and starts her cleaning. It seems like her life has no purpose or meaning. Folks like her on the job from 5 to 10, never knowing for what, why, or when. Working 5 to 10, what a way to make a living. Barely getting by, it's all taking and no giving. They just use her life and they never give her credit. It's enough to drive her crazy if she lets it. Working 5 to 10, what a way to make a living. Barely getting by, it's all taking and no giving. They just use her life and they never give her credit. It's enough to drive her crazy if she lets it. On the same boat with all of your friends, waiting for the day your ship will come in. And the tide's gonna turn and it's all gonna roll you away. Working 5 to 10 every day.
अरे बस आया बाबा का आईडी कार्ड.
Was the bus on time?
Yes, madam.
Good. Now tomorrow morning the milkman will come. Open the door at 5, take the milk and put it in the fridge, not the freezer.
Huh, madam, I'll get it. No worries.
Gaurav has an important football match tomorrow. Pack his bag, put the correct shoes and iron his football uniform. The iron is in the storeroom.
Haan ji.
My husband has an important meeting he cannot miss. Wake him up at 9, okay?
ठीक है.
Oof. And please, don't wake up Grandad before 9. He'll go mental. As it is, he's enough trouble already. His mind is still stuck in the war.
क्या?
Don't wake up Grandad before 9. अच्छा?
ठीक है.
And you have to wake me up at 7 so I can get the house sorted out. At exactly 7. Not before 7, not after.
Okay.
We don't believe in alarms in this house. You'll have to wake up everyone. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
Gosh, my life is so difficult. I need a spa day soon.
Someone turn that alarm off.
We're being robbed.
Where's the thief? Is it a ninja?
Don't worry, kiddo. If it is a ninja, I'll find him. Like I found that enemy hideout in the Indo-Pak War of 1965. No man was left behind that day, son. No man.
What war are you talking about?
Yeah, Dad. What war are you rambling on about this time?
What war? What war? What do you mean, what war? It's so famous, and you've never heard of it? To think you call yourselves Indians.
You fools! There's a thief in the house and you all are arguing about some unknown war.
It's not unknown.
Do something.
Calm down, everyone. Let's ask her what happened.
I didn't do anything. I swear. I just opened the door and
Gaurav, stop it. Give me that gun. Gaurav.
Give it here, son. Third-rate rifles you use.
Before opening the door, did you enter the security code?
Nahi. Madam just told me the door has some problems opening yesterday.
Honey, didn't you tell her?
Kantabai, I told you na that you have to enter the alarm code and then open the door. Do I have to do everything around here?
What? लेकिन तुमने तो ऐसा ही बोला ना.
Oh my.
This is just ridiculous. In my day, her incompetence would have been dealt with way more severely.
Wait, Grandad. Where are you going?
I'm leaving.
I'm coming with you.
Samji,
Huh.
my beauty sleep.
I have a meeting tomorrow. My sleep is equally important.
आज दिन कितना खराब जा रहा है. Oh no, it's 6 o'clock. Who am I supposed to wake up now? Am I supposed to wake up Gaurav or Saab? Madam told that Gaurav has some important football match. Let's go pack his bag. Madam told to pack some pointy shoes. And his clothes. Oh nahi! ये तो जल गया. Let's just pack it. Who's gonna see? Gaurav, utho! Wake up! It's 7:30. What? I'm gonna miss my match. I know. If I miss it, my coach is gonna kill me. I know. So wait a minute. No, goodbye. I lost the match because of you. Oh no! इतना अब
Shagun. He's gonna be so sad on losing the match. Now what am I supposed to do? Madam told to wake up Saab, Dadaji. Soch, Kanta, Soch. Let's go wake up Dadaji. Dadaji, wake up. It's 8 o'clock.
Wait a minute. Did you say it's 8 o'clock?
Yes.
Then why the devil did you wake me up? What's going on? Is there a war outside in the city? Wait, let me fetch my gun. I'll save them. Just give me a sec.
Sir, wait. Madam told me to wake you up at 8, I think.
Madam told you to wake me up at 8. But that's bizarre. She of all people knows I need at least 12 hours of sleep for my medication to work. Oh God, this is not good. This is not good. This is not good at all. How my medication good? I need a drink. Maid, fetch me some rum.
Are you sure that's a good idea, sir?
Am I sure that's... This is my house. If I tell you to do something, you do it. No questions asked. Now get me that rum before I decide to fire you.
Okay, sir.
My God.
Your rum, sir.
It's well past 9. Why haven't you woken me up yet?
But didn't you say you're going back to sleep?
In the old days, son, I was a proud man, fighting for my country and my love. But suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be.
Dad, what's wrong with you? Are you drunk?
Drunk? I'm not drunk, son. Don't be stupid now.
My God, you are drunk. What happened?
Be cool, sonny boy. It was just a few glasses of rum, and it wasn't my fault. The maid gave it to me.
The maid? Kantabai?
Yes, sir.
Have you no sense?
Having no
He said he'd fire me.
I hardly believe that. One more mistake like this, and you're fired. Now go get my breakfast ready. I have to sort this old war veteran out.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, I love you, son.
Now I guess I have to go to work later. Make sure my breakfast is ready at 10 o'clock. Do not mix up your utensils with ours. I trust Madam has told you which utensils to use. I am not eating with yours again. Understand?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I won't do it again, sir.